はい、皆さんこんにちは。Welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Today we're gonna deal with this letter. Do you know how to read this or how to type this or when to use it? You get to know about that after watching this video. So please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you learned something new from this video. So this letter, this is a, but usually a doesn't come with dakten. You know, these dots are called dakten. Dakten appears only with ka column, sa column, ta column, and ha column. And also, you know, kyakyukyo can be gyagyugyo because it has ki here. So this is something unusual and irregular. This doesn't appear in a formal writing. It only appears in SNS or in Japanese comic books. The sound of this is like ah, ah. Normal ah is ah, ah. But this one is some noise that you make with your throat. This shows some emotion that is more than just ah. So in comic books, if a character is really angry, he would say like ah, and if someone is extremely relaxed in onsen, they can go like ah, ah. And if someone is really surprised, they can go like ah, ah, ah. I'm sorry about the noise, but this letter conveys some extreme emotion. Okay, so now how to type this letter. If you're using a PC, first you enter a, then you type dakuten and press a space key. Alright, and you get that. You know, this dakuten has the same space as a. So it looks like there's more space than usual, but this is the correct way. So actually in this way, you can add dakuten to any letter. So for example, na, dakuten, nande, 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 why? And when you are using your smartphone, first of all, enter a, then confirm and enter dakuten ta and dakuten mark dakuten. If you need to know how to type on your smartphone, you can watch this video. Okay, so dakuten, and then you see this mark here. A. So a. Oh, here comes. So once you enter dakuten mark, you get dakuten immediately mark here. You can go like oh, dakuten, here. The mark already appeared here. And when can you use it? You can use it in SNS, like in Twitter or in TikTok. And it shows your extreme emotion, like surprise, happiness, and anger. But it's kind of slang. And actually, I myself have never used it before. But I talked to a friend who is in 20s. She said she sometimes uses it. These are some examples. And that's all today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! またね!